From one of the most reliable names in portable power, introducing the PowerStation by Champion Power Equipment. This lithium-ion battery-powered portable power station is the perfect solution whether you're at home, on the road, or on the job. Power outage during a storm? The PowerStation doesn't use an engine to create power. It makes no noise and has zero emissions, which means it's safe to use indoors. Power your lights to keep you out of the dark. Connect your refrigerator to keep your food fresh. Charge your phones and computers to stay connected. Power your essential devices to keep yourself comfortable. Keep yourself out of the elements while keeping you and your family safe. Want some recreational power? Use the PowerStation while you're tailgating. Power up while camping or with your RV. Or set the mood with the string of lights. Need portable power on the job? Easily carry the PowerStation wherever you need it. Plug in your tools directly without the need for long extension cords, and keep all your batteries charged for a full day of work. And to completely eliminate your carbon footprint, connect the PowerStation to solar panels for fully off-the-grid power. The loaded power panel includes 3 household 120-volt outlets to power your tools, appliances, or lights, as well as an automotive-style 12-volt DC outlet and a 12-volt power pole port. Use the 2 USB ports to charge your mobile devices, or the 2 USB-C ports for an even faster charge. The IntelliGauge display lets you monitor the PowerStation in real time and use the convenient LED light for a little extra light whenever you need it. Champion's 2 PowerStations provide up to 3,200 starting watts. A full charge can get you from 16 to 32 hours of runtime, and combine AC with solar power to get a full recharge in as little as 2.5 hours. To extend your runtime, you can connect up to 10 stackable expansion batteries, or connect another PowerStation or Paralink-capable inverter to double your power. The latest innovation from a market leader in portable power. Dependable, silent, convenient, safe indoor power. The Champion Power Equipment PowerStation. Power on.